So what we're showing, MIPS processors, is something we're getting a lot of interest of. What we're now bringing imagination strength in multimedia communications, in particular low power, which is built on our mobile credentials, bringing it to the entire MIPS portfolio of processors. We've just announced the new Creator range of low-cost developer boards here. This is using a dual-core MIPS 1.2 gigahertz processor, and it's got our PowerVR SGX 540 graphics processor in there. And that low-cost board is extremely powerful, and we're getting tremendous interest from the developer community on this now. It's just another example of how we're now using our ecosystem and taking MIPS plus PowerVR. The combination all from one place is what's really exciting developers, because this sort of platform enables you to do a whole exciting new class of IoT applications, such as some of the stuff that I've just been showing you. We can now get developers being able to do this on incredibly low-cost platforms. You don't need to have a lot of capital expense to do very exciting things. And we're doing a lot more. This Creator family, you'll see a lot more from us in the next year as we bring some very, very impressive platforms to market.
What is the price point?
Price point for that board is $65 US. Oh, wow. And for that's got complete, very rich memory resources on there. So a full Linux operating system is in Flash. You literally switch the board on and it just boots. You don't need to buy any SD card or put it in. The memory is very, very rich. So a very powerful Linux environment. It's got, of course, got a state-of-the-art graphics processor there in there, which means that this development board can be running Debian, standard Linux, which we've got here, and this is running full Android. Though to get a low-cost development board running full Android is pretty impressive.
That's so acceptable at $65.
At $65, that's pretty impressive. It's also got a Raspberry Pi connector, so all of the add-on boards that you can get for that community, you can add on to this, and we're developing that whole community as well. So from the board point of view, this brings together also our Purple Foundation, which is our new open source community, and this board will be what we call Purple Stamped, which means that any of the boards from Creator will access all of the open source community of MIPS and PowerVR and all the Imagination family. So there's a lot we're doing to really creating a new wave of developer platforms, because a lot of IoT is going to be from innovators that are probably going to be, buried in little sheds down the weekend or innovating, and we believe this is a great contribution to helping more and more entrepreneurs being able to create really exciting products.